So I'm reading Facebook comments. Jason said, total douchebag. That truck's a piece of shit. Get a real job, YouTube dork. Shit, dude. I guess I'm done with YouTube, I guess. Peace. So we're at the house right now, and as you can see, the truck got some mods done to it. I got the mirrors all sanded and smooth because I told you guys I was fixing the bed, and as you can see, the color match is on point now. Beforehand, the color of the bed, if you guys don't know, I had it like re-sprayed because I had a dent in the back. Literally, my paint guy, he's not the best collision guy. He's more of like a custom guy, and the color came out so off, it was like brown pretty much. I'll attach a picture so you guys can see. But I got the bed resprayed, looks mint. I just gotta put the emblems back on. I got the bumper plastic painted. I got my sensors painted, and it looks pretty sick. And also check out these mirrors. I had them paint the blinkers, or what do you call these, a side marker, and they look pretty freaking sick, I must say. The chrome cap, I kept it. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should have painted it or not. I personally like the chrome cap. I kind of don't know though. It might have looked sick if I would have had it painted, but I guess I could always paint it in the future. And for the Hellcat, she's not looking so hot. So RIP right now. My powder coat guy has honestly been slacking. I guess his gun broke or something. It's been 3 weeks, and I really don't know what to do, but we're waiting on him to finish all the parts, and then I'm gonna be able to put the motor back together. And also, I want to know what you guys think. I was thinking about painting this blower black. You think I could spray paint that?
That's
like, it's like $1,500 to have that painted.
That's the, no. You could do it for $10 in a couple hours.
Well, we'll get back to that. But the truck's looking good. But the people on Facebook, I just posted the video of us changing the oil. If you guys didn't see that video, check it out. But I posted on Facebook, and I guess people don't like to see some beautiful women changing the oil in a badass truck because the haters are mad. So first on the chopping block, we got Justin. I bet the bank loves you, LMAO. Well, Justin, here is my blue title. No lien holder. Next we got Blake. My truck was 91K without your gay ass wheels and shit lift. Blake, you bought a brand new dually, and you're probably paying 8% a year on your loan, so you got finesse, Blake. Your opinion is invalid. And also, my lift is actually pretty nice. It's not shit, so. And also, you said my truck. I'm guessing that's the bank's truck. This comment's a little intense, so, you know, you gotta put the Crocs in full drive for this one. Be prepared. Full blown, I don't even know. Typical Facebook Karen. That's what's happening right here. First, she said, Lindsay, you're a tool. My response, I'm actually a great, good-hearted young man. Ladies, hit me in the DMs.
Kill them with kindness, man.
Then Lindsay decided to stalk my page and then comment on this video. So I posted this video on Facebook. You know, it kind of got a lot of views, 60,000 views. Lindsay commented, yeah, the big problem that you don't like women more competent than you, so you humiliate women you know full well aren't experienced in what they're doing. Such a big man. Well, Lindsay, you're supposed to say, yeah, the big problem is. So get your punctuation correct. Second, what is wrong with you? I don't like women more competent than me. These girls that came over are my friends, first of all, Lindsay. And second of all, they liked the video so much they shared it on their own personal pages. Did I humiliate them? Maybe a little bit. Did they enjoy the video? Did their friends enjoy the video? Yes. So your opinion does not matter, Lindsay. So let's check out Lindsay's Facebook profile. So Lindsay, you can't get away from me, baby. Like, look at this. I was gonna show you guys her profile, but she blocked me. Why'd you block me, Lindsay? So here's her profile. Lindsay, your mom should have taught you, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. I am a solitary practitioner of my own moral compass. All right, that's all we have to say about that. Also, this guy, Pat Jones, said, you still have a little dick, can't change facts.
Yeah.
Listen, bro, my dreams are bigger than my dick, so that's all you need to know. So Michael said, 100K a couple years ago, that's 50K all day now, LOL. See, what Michael doesn't know is that this truck identifies as a $100,000 truck. And nowadays, you have to respect that. If it wants to be a $100,000 truck, it can be in these time of days. So the title was Hot Instagram Models Change Oil on My $100,000 Truck. It was a little bit clickbait, but that's what happened, so you can't talk shit. Jerry said, Jerry, Instagram models, cringe level, 100%. Let's check out Jerry's profile. Listen, Jerry.
Jerry, stop.
You've been defeated. Can't judge my Instagram models. Next up, Corey said, next on Unsolved Mysteries, how the person that made this post dodged a coat hanger for 9 months. Listen, bro, my mom loves me a lot, so let's check out this guy's profile. Damn, that truck's actually pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. You got a cool truck, Corey, but you know what? You're kind of mean. Next up, we got Davey. What type of name is Davey, first of all? He said, 100K truck and changing the oil in a f***ing yard. And then this guy said, after he went to Walmart. Where am I supposed to change the oil? Listen, just because I got a nice truck doesn't mean I don't work on my own stuff, even though I had the girls do it. But, dude, you think I'm going to have them on their knees on the concrete? I'm a good-hearted gentleman. We respect these women out here. Unlike them. You. I mean, I guess we don't know. Davey might respect women, but he's mad that I changed in the yard. After he went to Walmart, like, listen, bro, I'm trying to get the best deals. What's Walmart saying?
Save money, live better. Save money, live better.
Walmart. Not a paid ad. Next up, Shayla. S-H-A-Y-L-A. He's definitely gay. Fuck. Christopher said, 100K truck, uses T4. T4 is the oil we're using. Christopher, what are we supposed to use in this truck? Would I use different oil if the truck wasn't lifted? Christopher, I don't think you take very good care of your stuff. Christopher's profile picture is his ATV upside down, and he's complaining about what oil I use in my truck. Colin said, still won't get laid, LOL. Obviously not, Colin, I've got a little dick. Sterling said, can I have your autograph? You're damn right, Sterling. And last but not least, I posted this video on a page on Facebook, and they took it down, and they have to leave like a note, right, to like take it down. So the note from the admin, the owner of the page, fuck you. Alright, bro. I'm sorry that you'd rather watch like pictures of trucks and not some girls changing my oil. I thought the video was pretty funny. No. Well, I guess that's enough for today. Enough hate comments for today. If you like this video, let me know, because the hate is real on Facebook. These people never stop, and like, it's honestly mad funny. You guys bring a smile to my face, so I appreciate that. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I'm gonna catch back with you guys. I'm going to Daytona truck meet this weekend. If you guys are gonna be out there, hit me up. We can meet up or whatever, slam a couple beers, you know, and have a good time. So I'm gonna be there this weekend, September 4th through September 6th. So hit me up on the gram. I'll drop it down below. Follow me. And also, I'll catch back with you guys next time when the Hellcat's officially done. And the Hellcat's fine. Literally, I'm just getting some stuff powder coated, but my powder coater guy broke his gun or something, so I don't know what the hell's going on. But that's a wrap for this video. If you didn't like it, drop a thumbs down. If you liked it, drop a thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all later. Next on the chopping block, we have Jason. Jason said, stopped watching because they weren't naked. Jason, you're f***ing weird, dude. Roy said, everyone loves to hate on everything. Sweet truck, man. See, Roy, you're a good guy, man. I like that comment. I appreciate you. Next, we have Brandon. When do the hot models come in? Brandon has no profile picture and no pictures on his Facebook. Brandon, I would love to see what hot models you be hanging out with. The color, beforehand the color of the, fuck. Keep going. Okay.